G0B, station safety, electrical shock, grounding, fusing, interlocks and wiring, antenna and tower safety. G0B01A. Which wire or wires in a four-conductor 240 VAC circuit should be attached to fuses or circuit breakers? A. Only the hot wires. B. Only the neutral wire. C. Only the ground wire. D. All wires. G0B02C. According to the National Electrical Code, what is the minimum wire size that may be used safely for wiring with? A 20 ampere circuit breaker? A. AWG number 20. B. AWG number 16. C. AWG number 12. D. AWG number 8. G0B03D. Which size of fuse or circuit breaker would be appropriate to use with a circuit that uses AWG number 14? Wiring? A. 30 amperes. B. 25 amperes. C. 20 amperes. D. 15 amperes. G0B04B. Where should the station's lightning protection ground system be located? A. As close to the station equipment as possible. B. Outside the building. C. Next to the closest power pole. D. Parallel to the water supply line. G0B05B. Which of the following conditions will cause a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, to disconnect AC power? A. Current flowing from one or more of the hot wires to the neutral wire. B. Current flowing from one or more of the hot wires directly to ground. C. Overvoltage on the hot wires. D. All these choices are correct. G0B06C. Which of the following is covered by the National Electrical Code? A. Acceptable bandwidth limits. B. Acceptable modulation limits. C. Electrical safety of the station. D. RF exposure limits of the human body. G0B07B. Which of these choices should be observed when climbing a tower using a safety harness? A. Always hold on to the tower with one hand. B. Confirm that the harness is rated for the weight of the climber and that it is within its allowable service life. C. Ensure that all heavy tools are securely fastened to the harness. D. All these choices are correct. G0B08B. What should be done before climbing a tower that supports electrically powered devices? A. Notify the electric company that a person will be working on the tower. B. Make sure all circuits that supply power to the tower are locked out and tagged. C. Unround the base of the tower. D. All these choices are correct. G0B09. A. Which of the following is true of an emergency generator installation? A. The generator should be operated in a well-ventilated area. B. The generator must be insulated from ground. C. Fuel should be stored near the generator for rapid refueling in case of an emergency. D. All these choices are correct. G0B10. A. Which of the following is a danger from lead-tin solder? A. Lead can contaminate food if hands are not washed carefully after handling the solder. B. High voltages can cause lead-tin solder to disintegrate suddenly. C. Tin in the solder can cold flow, causing shorts in the circuit. D. RF energy can convert the lead into a poisonous gas. G0B11D. Which of the following is required for lightning protection ground rods? A. They must be bonded to all buried water and gas lines. B. Bends in ground wires must be made as close as possible to a right angle. C. Lightning grounds must be connected to all ungrounded wiring. D. They must be bonded together with all other grounds. G0B12C. What is the purpose of a power supply interlock? A. To prevent unauthorized changes to the circuit that would void the manufacturer's warranty. B. To shut down the unit if it becomes too hot. C. To ensure that dangerous voltages are removed if the cabinet is opened. D. To shut off the power supply if too much voltage is produced. G0B. Where should lightning arresters be located? A. Where the feed lines enter the building. B. On the antenna, opposite the feed point. C. In series with each ground lead. D. At the closest power pole ground electrode.